Alright, what's up, guys? I took a W today. I'm gonna explain why I closed my position early. Some of you probably see this blue arrow right here and are wondering why I closed early, which I knew we were gonna go down. I just didn't know how long it was gonna take. I was also very hesitant on taking this trade on NQ, but NQ was offering a way better setup compared to ES. ES, we were already making the move, so really not a good entry point. The RR would have been terrible too. So I saw NQ had better RR and I had to enter on NQ. So let's get into it. So for today, news wise, we had CPI before market open. So I was okay with that. If CPI was coming at 10 o'clock, then I probably wouldn't take a trade today because CPI is a very important news event. And then we had home sales, which I'm finding this very questionable, but I guess new home sales are bullish right now, which I mean, our economy is kind of bad, so how can home sales be bullish right now? Because I know a lot of people are not buying homes, but you never know. People make stupid decisions, so apparently new home sales is bullish though. But I mean, today was very simple. During CPI, we made a big move up. We swept some liquidity on ES, same thing on NQ, and then we retraced down. We made another move up during market open, but I saw that there was a little bit of an SMT going on. I mean, it wasn't a full SMT. We almost had an SMT here with NQ and ES, but as you can see, ES continued to go down. NQ was about to sweep these highs. If it did, it would have made an SMT, but I kind of just took that into consideration, even though it's not a perfect SMT. I was just still taking that in consideration that, okay, well, ES is continuing to move down. Therefore, it wants to take out these London lows and Asian lows, which it did. So then I was just on the 5-minute, just watching the 5-minute, watching the order flow, and I saw that we broke structure during market open on NQ right here. So I wanted more confirmation. I was very careful here because I wanted to go short at first, but I was like, I'm going to be a little bit more patient because technically we're still on an uptrend on ES. We broke structure right here, and then we broke structure again right here, forming an uptrend. So I wanted to see both indexes on a downtrend on the 5-minute, and then we finally broke structure right here on ES. So then that made me a bit comfortable to look for a trade. So then I just go down to the 1-minute, and then obviously when I was on the 1-minute after we broke structure on ES, I can see that we were already making a heavy move down, and there was really no entries on ES. The RR would have been terrible because I would be looking to see us tap into this fair value gap, respecting it, and then I put my stop loss right here and my take profit right here, but obviously that didn't happen. So then I went to NQ's 1-minute, and NQ was providing a better entry, as you can see. So same thing. I was just being patient. Technically, we were on an uptrend on the 1-minute on NQ. One thing that made me comfortable with taking a short was, okay, we disrespected this fair value gap right here. Now I just want to see a break of structure. We finally got that right here. So then I entered on this candle right here when we broke structure, put my stops right here above this little baby fair value gap. And then my first take profit was on the London low, which you can see I closed early, which thankfully I did because I feel like we're going to go up now. The reason why I closed early is because we had a very big move, as you can see right here. And with that big move, ES took out London session and Asian session at the same time. So if one of the indexes takes out previous session liquidity, more than likely the other one isn't. So as soon as I saw ES make this big move right here, I was like, I'm just going to close my positions because you never know. One index could just take out the liquidity and the other one wouldn't, and they'll just continue higher or lower just depending on the trend. So today I made $1,224. Up 596 on my account, so wasn't a bad day. It was a quick trade, simple. So that's the trade recap for today. I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you in the next one.